Okay, I'm going to show you a couple more things with Windows 7, a couple little maybe annoyances or things that you have to get used to when you're using Windows 7 coming from Windows XP. All right, if you notice down here, I had pinned my Microsoft Word to my taskbar. And instead of having various tabs on the bottom, if you notice, I can control which document I want to go to. So if I have two documents open, I click on this one, it's demo one. If I want to switch to my other file, I hover over the Word document again and go to my other one, demo two. So no longer will you have the tabs across the bottom. That's also true for Windows Explorer or Firefox or other programs. If you have multiple things open, instead of having them open on the bottom, they're shown as layers. As you can see here with the Microsoft Word, there's like a double layer. Okay, if you want to open another one, you would go to Microsoft Word, and if you notice now, the layers have tripled. Same thing with Internet Explorer. If you want to open up another, by the way, I've right clicked. That's how I did this. So I right click and I can Internet Explorer again. If you notice, I have double layer here. That means I have two windows open. I could also go to another website I had open. Let's say I go to Google. And now you can see my layers of triplicate. So I have three Internet Explorer windows open. I have my email, I have this home page, which will be fixed eventually, and a Google page. And this is how you can control what you do. Okay. What gets a little confusing though is if you're like me and you tend to use multiple tabs. I forget where I put my tabs after a while, so I have to go back and look for them. For example, in Firefox, right now I have Discovery Education open. If I open a new tab, let's make this, oh, I don't know, make this one YouTube, and then we'll make this one Google. I have multiple tabs open. What I find that happens to me is if I open another Firefox page, let's say I open a new window, those tabs I have are in the other window, so I have to go and remember that I put it in this window under one of those tabs, this one. So I still have my tabs up here. So it takes a little bit of adjusting to get used to the navigation. So if you tend to use multiple tabs or multiple windows, you might have a hard time finding your things. That happens. So just kind of be patient and take a look at your taskbar. Make sure that you have, you can see the layers and know that you have multiple things open. Not only can you have multiple things open, but you can also close them. So let's say I don't need this document, I'm closing it. I'm going to close this document. And no, I don't want to save it. And close this document. Boom, done. Okay, so if you notice now, my Windows is still on my task bar. That's because I want to put it there, but I have no other files open from it. Okay, I hope that helps.